The tech world is currently obsessed with the giant screens and the Pro Maxes of the world, but there is a silent, growing cult of users who know a secret that everyone else is missing. While everyone is distracted by the bulky 13-inch tablets that feel like carrying a glass window, a new beast is being prepared in the labs at Cupertino. I'm talking about the iPad Mini 8. Now, I know what you're thinking. We just got the Mini 7, why are we already talking about the 8? Because for the first time in a decade, Apple is finally realizing that the Mini isn't just a small iPad, it is the ultimate form factor for the modern human. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you've ever felt like your phone is too small to actually get work done, but your laptop is too heavy to take to a coffee shop, you are in the Mini zone. And the iPad Mini 8 is designed to own that zone completely. In this video, we aren't just looking at spec sheets. We are diving into why this specific device is about to change the way you consume media, how you work on the go, and why it might actually be the iPhone Fold we've all been waiting for, just without the crease. We have gathered every credible leak, every supply chain whisper from Asia, and every patent filing to paint a picture of what is coming. If you are planning on buying a tablet in the next year, stop what you are doing. You need to hear this before you spend a single dollar. Let's start with the elephant in the room, the display. For years, Mini fans have been begging for one thing. ProMotion. That buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate that makes every scroll feel like silk. With the iPad Mini 8, the pressure on Apple has reached a breaking point. We are seeing indications that Apple is finally moving toward an OLED panel for the Mini series. Imagine the deepest blacks, the most vibrant colors, and a contrast ratio that makes movies look like you're sitting in a high-end cinema, all in the palm of your hand. The move to OLED isn't just about beauty, it's about efficiency. This is how Apple plans to give us all-day battery life in a chassis that is thinner than a notebook. But it's not just about the screen. It's about the brain. Inside the iPad Mini 8, we are expecting the A19 chip, or potentially even an M-series silicon if Apple decides to truly go pro with the small form factor. This isn't just for opening emails faster. We are talking about console-quality gaming in your pocket. Imagine playing Resident Evil or Death Stranding on a device you can hold with one hand while standing on a subway. This is the power density that no other company on Earth can match. The thermal management required to put that kind of power in a small body is revolutionary, and that's where the iPad Mini 8 is going to pull ahead of the competition. Now, let's talk about the why. Why does the USA market specifically care so much about this size? It's because our lives have become hypermobile. We are working from Ubers, we are taking notes in standing room-only meetings, and we are reading ebooks while waiting for our flights. The iPad Mini 8 is being positioned as the ultimate digital journal. With the integration of Apple Intelligence, this isn't just a tablet. It's an AI-powered assistant that fits in your cargo pocket. Imagine pointing your iPad Mini 8 at a document, and it instantly summarizes it, creates a to-do list, and schedules your meetings, all while you're walking to your next appointment. The design language is also seeing a shift. We are hearing rumors of even thinner bezels, making the screen feel like it's floating in your hands. There's also the talk of the front-facing camera finally moving to the landscape edge. This is a huge